Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Mi Smart Android LED TV that comes to repair with the fault sound problem. See friends, here this TV actual fault is crackling sound. The reason for this type of complaint is because of the speaker paper is damaged, so to repair this TV we need to replace the entire TV speaker pairs with new speakers. See friends, these are the new speakers for replacement, so let's install the new speakers in this TV. See friends, now the final installation work for new speakers are completed. Due to copyright problem we can't play the sound on TV now. So that's it, hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.